Morning students, I am Mrs. M. Muthuselvi, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Corporate Secretaryship from KCS Kasnadar College of Arts and Science, Chennai. I am going to handle the Company Law and Secretarial Practice 2 paper for second BCom Corporate Secretaryship students. Students, you already studied what is memorandum, articles and prospectus, share capital and members of the company in Company Law 1 paper. In this semester, you are going to learn about borrowing powers of the company, company management, company meetings, dividend and winding up of the company. From the first unit, your topic is borrowing powers and types of borrowings, ultra-vires borrowings, types of debentures, and difference between debenture holder and shareholder, then types of charges. Now I am going to explain what is meant by borrowings. Okay, the company's borrowing limit is mentioned in the memorandum and articles of the company. Okay, you already know very well about memorandum and articles. Memorandum is the fundamental document of the every company, and articles is the subordinate, that is rules and regulations of the company. So the borrowing limit will be mentioned in the memorandum and articles. The borrowing limit is within the amount of share capital, that is the amount, the borrowing limit cannot exceed the share capital and free reserves of the company. Okay students, good morning. Okay students, now I am going to explain the borrowing powers and the types of borrowings. Okay, according to section 118, the directors can pass a special resolution at a general meeting regarding the borrowing limits of the company. Okay, then types of borrowings. What are all the types of borrowings? There are three types of borrowings. First one is short term borrowings, and second one is medium term borrowing, and third one is long term borrowings. On short term borrowings, the borrowing period is within 1 year, that is the repayment of loan is within 1 year. In medium term borrowings, the repayment period is 1 to 7 years. In long term borrowings, the repayment period is more than 10 years. Okay students, now I am going to explain what is meant by ultra vires borrowings. The company can borrow the money within the limit mentioned in the memorandum and articles. Suppose the company can borrow the money beyond the limit will be mentioned in the memorandum and articles. That is called ultra vires borrowings. Ultra vires borrowings can be divided into two types. One is ultra vires borrowings of the company and another one is ultra vires borrowings of the directors. Okay students, the remaining topic will be explained in the next video. Thank you.